Hi, welcome back to the channel. Another video and the final installment in the Headbangers Ball series by Papa Smurf. The final lock is Hell's Bells. Been made from an old Yale rim cylinder, and that is the bitting. And yep, it seems to work fine. So let's grab the old vise, pop that in, and let's see what we can do. Some bottom of the keyway tension. I've had to play about with this lock. I did find it quite tricky to start with. I'm going with a Sparrow's pick. You can see that. I think it's an offset diamond or something like that. Primarily because of the point on the tip. I find it getting underneath a lot of these key pins quite tricky. And I found the point sort of helped push my way in if I needed to. So let's have a look. Try about pass 1 and 2 first. That's 3, I think. Not 4. 3 false set there. One seems set, 2, 3, 4, and that's me back at 5. And this is where I found this pick comes in handy. Counter rotation is very minimal, and I have to create it myself with pushing that pick in. And there we go. 5. Okay, so get rid of that. Close up that, and we'll grab the trays. Put that there. Turn the camera down for this. Okay. No circlips on this one, thankfully. They are my nemesis. Put that there. Key. Okay, so key pins first. You can see. Everything needed picked. So 1. Cool. 2. 3, 4, 5. Nothing really done. I see slots 2 and 3 there. There's some mild serrations, but nothing too dramatic. driver pins. One is standard, two is, see that is some sort of serrated spool. Serrated pin. Oh. Another heavily serrated spool. Five. Very much standard on the core. Get a closer look at these. Lovely torpedo looking key pin and one. Serrated driver pins, serrated key pins. There we have it. The end of the Headbangers Ball series. Hell's bells. Hope you enjoyed the video. Plenty more to come in the forthcoming weeks. If you enjoyed this, leave a like, definitely comment, leave me something, feedback, ideas, whatever you feel you want to shoot my way. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. It's kind of cool. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again.